In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to e-sign with Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're finalizing important documents or just want to learn a new digital skill, this guide will take you through each step smoothly and clearly. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin with, navigate to your homepage within Adobe Acrobat. This is your starting point where you have the flexibility to choose either a document you've previously worked on or create a brand new one if you're looking to start fresh. The homepage acts as your command center, so if you haven't done so already, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. This will make your workflow more seamless and intuitive. Once you've decided which document you want to use, shift your focus to the Recent section of your document storage. This area keeps your most commonly used files easily accessible, so you don't have to sift through countless folders. Clicking on Recent will present you with a list of documents you've recently accessed, making it a breeze to quickly find and select the file you intend to sign. With your document selected, it's time to move on to the eSignature section. Look for the eSign option located in the top toolbar. Once you've found it, proceed by choosing the Add Signature function. Adobe Acrobat provides several ways to create a signature, but today we'll focus on the Draw and Sign option. This feature allows you to manually draw your signature directly on the digital platform, closely simulating the real-life signing experience. You can use your mouse or a stylus to draw a signature that feels authentic and true to your personal style. Don't rush this. Take your time. It's crucial that your signature reflects your intentions accurately and feels legible. After you've crafted a signature you're happy with, it's time to hit the Save button. This step ensures that your signature is preserved for future use, a convenient feature if e-signing is something you find yourself doing often. Now, you're ready to position your signature within the document. You can click and drag your signature to place it on the designated signature line or anywhere else you think it belongs. Make sure you line it up neatly. Clean presentation is always a good look. And there you have it. You've officially learned how to sign a document using Adobe Acrobat. This straightforward yet powerful tool is designed to save you time and keep your workflow efficient and entirely paperless. Remember, you can use this method anytime you need to sign a document digitally, so feel free to practice as often as you need until you feel comfortable. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.